Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to fix Roblox promo code errors. If you are experiencing issues with redeeming promo codes on Roblox, you are in the right place. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of troubleshooting and fixing promo code errors. First, ensure you have a valid promo code. Check the code for any typos or incorrect characters. Promo codes are case-sensitive, so make sure to enter them exactly as they appear. If you are still having trouble, try copying and pasting the code directly from the source. Next, check if the promo code has expired. Promo codes have expiration dates, and using an expired code will result in an error. You can check the expiration date of the promo code on the Roblox website or by contacting the issuer of the code. Now, let's move on to the redemption process. To redeem a promo code, log into your Roblox account and navigate to the promo code redemption page. Enter the promo code in the designated field and click the redeem button. If you receive an error message, try restarting the process or clearing your browser cache. Another common issue is that the promo code has already been redeemed. Promo codes can only be redeemed once per account, so if you have already used the code, you will not be able to use it again. Try using a different promo code or contacting the issuer for assistance. In some cases, promo code errors can be caused by technical issues. Check your internet connection and ensure that you are using a compatible browser. Try using a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Roblox support for assistance. They will be able to help you troubleshoot the problem and provide a solution. When contacting support, be sure to provide the promo code and a detailed description of the error message you are receiving. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most promo code errors on Roblox. Remember to always use valid and unexpired promo codes, and to contact support if you need further assistance. With these tips and best practices, you will be able to successfully redeem your promo codes and enjoy the benefits they provide.